Beautifully bowled there by Wasim, and he's got Darren Lehman with the Yorker. Beautifully bowled.
Swinging Yorker. Very difficult to negotiate these swinging Yorkers. Started well outside off stump. It was on his foot before that bat could get down.
Oh, knocked him over. What a great piece of bowling. That's just sheer pace. And that's a pair for Sarwin. Look at that, that's tailed in. That's just a great delivery. Brett Lee's real happy with that.
Very loud.
Bowling! That got through! This kid is a very good player for Paterno. A big swinging Yorker. It's off the pad to Langer, and the dangerous Langer goes to 52. They got the second wicket in here.
Second Indian to take it. What a delivery. It's become a star again.
As well, look at this, a great delivery going through the gate. Beach, a magical start for India.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Dale Steyn has got exactly what he wants from the last ball of the over. That's a wonderful delivery. Michael Vaughan has to go, he's off stump.
Yeah.
What a start. In swinging Yorker. Too good for Marcus Trescothick. Shoaib Akhtar strikes.
Well, what a start for Pakistan yet again. 84.
Oh, beautifully bowled. That was late and right in the block hole. So once again, Steve Waugh has gone in the 90s, but that was a pretty decent ball. So clean the ball to get it.
That's out. You don't need the umpire for that, boy, and that's a cracker of a swing ball. Turned him. Perfect bowling, really good pace, great length. Oh, look at that ball moving so late. That's Anderson's strength, the late swing.